Hey diesel fans, since our last video, I've had a lot of people ask me about the difference between a second gen swap and a third gen swap. Let's take a look. A stock 6.7 manifold has an odd T4i flange size that doesn't fit S300 or S400 turbos. It is a different flange size from a T4 flange. If you switch out your stock turbo, you're also going to have to switch out your manifold. Some people go with the second gen swap, which uses the second gen style manifold. Second gen swaps require a lot of fab work or modification to line up every point of the turbo, like the air intake, outlet to the intercooler, manifold, and the exhaust outlet. If you do a DPS third gen swap kit, you're basically replacing your stock turbo and your exhaust manifold, and it does not require any fab work or modification. The third gen swap kit will line up directly up to the stock air intake, outlet to the intercooler, manifold, and the exhaust outlet. This is because the third gen manifold keeps the turbo in the same stock location. DPS third gen manifold has been designed and proven to flow as well as a second gen manifold. The benefits of the DPS third gen swap kit over a second gen swap kit are there's less parts, it's easier to install, and it's going to save you money, but still have the same performance as a second gen swap. So if you want to save time, money, and effort, and you still want the performance, go with the DPS third gen swap kit. We love your questions. Keep them coming.